Welcome back to Low and Filthy. Today we're going to be installing a bash bar on my 350Z. Also got the stock headlights. We're going to try to see if we could change out the bulbs on the passenger side. They're blown. It's just me today. Alex is out of town in Mexico, so yeah, let's get to it.
You know we only use zip ties over here.
Yep. You're a real mechanic and you're using fucking zip ties. And this one's super in that bitch. Got all the zip ties off. Tightening or loosening? Oh, lefty. Not working loosening. Oh, shit. We just took the bumper out, the pain that has to take off. Only 3 bolts because the bumper is basically already destroyed from the last owner. We got this big ass chip. Look at that shit. None of the fucking clips. Yeah, well, it's a bit to take off, but we got it off. And like the extendo. Now we're gonna take the bash bar off, so it should just be these 2 top bolts, 2 bottom bolts on both sides, and that should be all to take it off.
No.
Damn, we need that.
I see. That lady that dropped off the fucking food from Aunt probably thought we were legit YouTubers.
Good YouTubers?
Probably thought we were legit YouTubers.
Oh, because all the cars? Little as you know, we got 30 subscribers.
Sheesh. While Joey's doing that, I'm gonna show you around the whips. We got the whole Ants RS3 right here. My S14. Ants S13. And then my BRZ. Don't mind the ride height. I'm air dope right now. Look at the wheels though. Sheesh.
So we just took off all bolts with the 12 mil, but it looks like they got clips up here. So we're just gonna try to take the clips off. Just looks like it's just one up top, one on bottom. So.
There we go.
There goes that.
Stock bash bar out.
Alright, so we just got the stock bash bar out. That clips in instead of bolts, and we ended up fucking whatchamacallit.
Stripping?
Yeah, we ended up stripping all of them, so we just took the fucking flathead and popped them all out. Now that we got the stock one out, new one should go in, same bolts and everything, so we'll knock that out real quick. So we just drilled in the bolts, but we only got 6 out of the 8 bolts. The fitment's kind of off, so eventually later we're gonna have to cut into the bash bar so you can make the other 2 bolts, but I mean, it's pretty sturdy with just the 6, so now we're just gonna hand tighten them. Oh shit. So, quick little install. It wasn't too bad. We just had a little trouble with the bumper, but that came off. Had the trouble with the extra holes that we need to cut up into eventually, but besides that, it's 30. I think it looks really good. Once we get this thing on coilovers, it'll look even better. The plan is to have the front bash bar, get the back bash bar, cut the bumper in half. That way the tummies out there and the bash bar showing. That's eventually the plan for it. But as far as that, it wasn't too bad. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We only got 30 subscribers, so make sure y'all hitting that subscribe. Appreciate it.